5 reasons why it's smart to be accepting of others' ideas. Our own ideas are the best ideas, right? While we admire our own prowess, sometimes we have to face the truth. We don't always know best. We might not have the full information, or our creativity takes us in a different direction than someone else's. But even with this knowledge, it's sometimes hard to give up our ideas for someone else's. How do you know when it's smart to be accepting of others' ideas? We don't know everything. It's absolutely impossible to know everything about every subject. This means that while we might have some great ideas with the information we have, there might be better ideas, including information you don't have. By accepting other people know more than you do in some areas, you can also accept their ideas might have some unique aspects lacking in your own. We want to be good leaders. The exceptional leader knows how to make everyone feel as though they are contributing, thereby giving them ownership in a project. By letting others weigh in, we're acknowledging those around us have something to contribute. This isn't an empty gesture either. If your team members aren't able to actually participate, why are they on your team in the first place? Other people get good ideas too. Even when you're sure you have all the information, it might be that someone else will put it together in a different or more creative way than you would have. This is why it's such a good idea to accept other ideas, as it might be someone else has a better approach or has thought through the process in a completely different way. You show you care about someone else's opinion. Conflict happens when people don't feel like they're contributing because they aren't being listened to. By accepting new ideas, you're letting people know their opinion matters and that they have insights you value. You allow people to grow. Even if an idea isn't always the best solution, allowing someone to act on their plan will give them a chance to find out whether or not it works for them. Sometimes it's okay to let people fail, as this is where the most growth and learning happens. Other people's ideas are full of value you might not have realized otherwise. This is why it's so smart to accept ideas belonging to someone else. In the end, the one who benefits the most is you, who will be given the opportunity to try something you might not have thought of previously. You also come out ahead by being seen as someone who values the input of others and who is willing to listen to something outside of their own voice.